Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is aberration. It's pronounced aberration, and it is spelt A-B-E-R-R-A-T-I-O-N. Think aber and then ration. Aberration means a departure from what is normal, usual, or expected. For example, you could say, her angry outburst was an aberration from her normally quiet demeanour. Aberration comes from the Latin word aberrare, meaning to wander out of the way, lose the way, or go astray. Its meaning is similar today, as an aberration is a change in the norm, meaning you go astray or act differently. Have you ever looked at a screen or photo and thought the colours looked a little bit off or uneven? This is called chromatic aberration or colour fringing, and it is a type of aberration that occurs when the colours in an image are not quite normal or as expected. It sometimes occurs as different colours of light travel at different speeds. This means that they pass through a lens at slightly different times. As a result, the image can look blurred or have noticeable coloured edges. Red, green, blue, yellow, purple, or magenta are the most common. And these can appear around objects. Have you ever noticed this before? Google some examples of chromatic aberration, and I'm sure you'll know what I mean. Aberration is a noun. For example, you could say, the blurry photographs were an aberration from my usual photography skills. Aberration is defined in the dictionary as a temporary change from the typical or usual way of behaving. Aberration synonyms include anomaly, deviation, divergence, abnormality, irregularity, and quirk. Antonyms include normality, conformity, regularity, normal, usual, and expected. See if you can notice an aberration today. For example, if your mum always wears her hair down and today she has it in a nice ponytail, you could tell her that this is a beautiful aberration. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.